When it comes to heavy-duty equipment, you need to know that your machinery can stand up to the toughest conditions. At AMEC, our company is dedicated to providing you with the highest quality machinery for your construction needs. Our team of expert engineers use only the best materials and cutting-edge technology to design and manufacture our excavators. With our German engineering standards, you can be confident that our machinery is built to last. We are committed to continuously improving our machinery through heavy investment in research and development. We believe that by constantly innovating and refining our designs, we can provide you with the most efficient, reliable, and safest machinery possible. At AMEC, our excavators are built to handle any task, big or small. From digging foundations to demolition work, we have the machinery you need to get the job done. And with our commitment to the highest standards in quality and engineering, you can be sure that our excavators will be a reliable and valuable addition to your agricultural, civil and construction projects. Contact AMEC today to learn more about how we can help you take your projects to the next level.